Bangladesh and Pakistan opened formal Air Force level talks in Islamabad on January 6, 2026. The meeting, which involved the chiefs of air staff of both countries, discussed the possibility of acquiring JF-17 Thunder Block III fighter jets. The Bangladesh Air Force is potentially looking to purchase between 20 and 32 JF-17 Thunder jets to gradually replace its aging Chinese and Russian-made fighters. Reuters reported that, beyond the potential for the JF-17 acquisition, Bangladesh Air Force Chief of Staff Air Marshal Hasan Mahmood and Pakistan Air Force Chief of Staff Air Marshal Zaheer Ahmed Sidhu also discussed training pathways, long-term maintenance, and institutional cooperation between the two air forces. One of the key elements in the discussions involved assurances regarding the accelerated delivery of Super Mushak trainer aircraft, coupled with a broader long-term training and support ecosystem to ensure the continuity of pilot training and aircraft availability. Bangladesh also requested assistance in maintenance support for its aging fleet and in the integration of air defense radar systems to enhance national air surveillance coverage. The BAF's new multi-role fighter jet acquisition program is inseparable from the BAF's urgent needs and the manufacturer's speed factor in providing the desired aircraft. The BF's Air Combat Force currently consists of just 4 operational MiG-29BMs, although 4 more are due to return from Belarus in June following the MLU-MRO program. This shortage of fighter aircraft creates significant vulnerabilities in the country's air defenses, according to a BMD military review. To that end, the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and Aviation Industry Corporation of China consortium offered a key solution in the form of accelerating the delivery of the JF-17 Block III. PAC and AVIC offered to expedite delivery to address Bangladesh's air defense shortfall. PAC and AVIC's ability to provide the JF-17 is a major consideration for the BAF compared to other alternative candidates that have been reviewed, such as the Eurofighter Typhoon and Chengdu J-10CE, which require a longer estimated time for delivery of their respective aircraft. In addition to the speed factor in aircraft provision, the BAF also considers the significant increase in combat capabilities of the JF-17 Block III as a major technological leap from a previous variant. These improvements include the integration of the ESA radar, which is the heart of Block III. Replacing the radar with a modern ESA drastically improves situational awareness, multi-target tracking capabilities, and resistance to jamming. The JF-17 Block III also integrates a helmet-mounted display system, which allows pilots to view flight data and engage missile targets simply by moving their heads. This speeds up reaction times in close-quarters air combat. Block III is also capable of carrying advanced long-range air-to-air missiles, such as the PL-15, which has superior long range and proven reliability. Enhancements to modern electronic warfare systems and open architecture avionics also ensure the JF-17 Block III is relevant to modern battlefield conditions.